All right, for question 3, they wanted you to subtract using mental math. That means not using the models or writing anything down. If you have to, that's okay, but try and use mental math. Like I said, you can use those models if needed. So 423 minus 10, we're just subtracting the tens place. So nothing should change in the hundreds place and nothing should change in the ones place. So we keep the hundreds place the same. So we have a 4. We do change the tens place. We're taking 1 away, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So our tens place is now going to be a 1, and our ones place does not change. 423 minus 10 gives us 413. The hundreds did not change, the ones did not change, the tens place just went down by 1. If we look at 631 minus 10, same thing. We are not touching our hundreds place, that stays the same. So that stays a 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. We are only changing our tens place. And 1 minus 0 is 1. Again, that does not change. Now they want us to subtract 100. So instead of changing our tens place, we're now going to change our hundreds place. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Remember, it just goes down by 1 if you're subtracting 100. Our 9 minus 0 is 9. Again, you're not going to touch your tens place. And 8 minus 0 is 8. You do not touch your ones place. So 598 minus 100 is going to give us 498. 347 minus 100, we are only looking at the hundreds place because anything minus 0 is going to be itself, so that 4 and that 7 do not change. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Our tens place does not change, and our ones place does not change. So 347 minus 100 equals 247.